Hi guys, welcome to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So in this video we are going to be talking about how to find variance. And don't forget, the first thing you have to know is that variance deal with calculating the spread of the numbers, and we have a formula which is sigma squared, which is for variance. So sigma square equals to the summation of my xi minus x bar all squared over n minus 1. My n is the number of data that I have. My x bar is the mean. All right, so we have three examples here that we're going to be calculating today. So let's do the first example. So the first thing you have to have is your data, and your data is what? Let's represent that with x. So if you represent your data with x, you are going to be having the first one. You have it to be x, which is 6, 9, then we have 14, then I have 10, then I have 5, and I have 8, and after that I have 10. All right, so these are the values of data that I'm given. So after that, the next thing you need to do, you are going to be needing your xi minus x bar, and then you are going to square it. So you are going to need xi minus x bar squared. So these are the values that you need. So how are you going to get your x bar? You are not given your x bar. And to get your x bar, you will agree with me, since our x bar is the mean. So finding the mean will be addition of what you have. So our x bar is going to be 6 plus 9 plus 14 plus 10 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 all over, how many number do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is over 7. And if you do that, you are going to have 63 over 7. And if you do 63 over 7, your answer is going to be what? 9. So your x bar is 9. Now, what am I going to do to get this part? Don't forget, in this part you have xi minus x bar. So what's your x bar? 9. So 6 minus 9, what will you get? Minus 3. Six minus 9 will give us minus 3. Then 9 minus 9 will give us what? 0. 14 minus 9 will give us 5. 10 minus 9 will give us 1. 5 minus 9 will give us minus 4. 8 minus 9 will give us minus 1. And 10 minus 9 will give us 1. Are you seeing that now? So I already know that the summation of my x, because I've added it here, so the summation of my x is 63. So I know that the summation of this is 63. Then square this, I'll get 9, because if you square minus 3, you get 9. This will be 0. All right. Then minus 5. If you square 5, you are going to get 25. Square 1, you get 1. Square 4 minus 4, you get 16. Square minus 1, you get 1. And then square 1, you also get 1. I get what I'm saying now. So let's add up. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 16, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 plus 9. 19 plus 9 will give us 28. And 19 plus 9 will give us 28. 28 plus 25. 28 plus 25 will give us 58. So let me check that again. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. 14 minus 9 is 5. Oh, I have 11 there. This is to be 11. This one is supposed to be 11. So this should be 2. This should be 2. Then I have 4 here. Okay, so let's add up together again. So I have 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 25 is 34. 34 plus 1 is 35. 35 plus this 5 will give me 40. 40 plus this 16 will give me 56. So the summation of my xi minus x bar all squared is what? 56. Are you seeing that now? So after getting this, your formula for variance is what? Summation of your xi minus x bar all squared over n minus 1. So what is your summation of x bar all squared? What do you get when you square that? The answer you got was what? 56 over n. What's your n? 7. So because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 minus 1. So that would be what? 56 over 6. And if you divide 56 by 6, your answer is going to be what? 9.3. So that means the variance of this my point of this my question is what? 9.3. So let's go to the second example, and you can also pause this video and also try the second example by yourself. All right, so let's go through the second example. So I have, let me do that here. So I have my x. So my x here is 6. So I'm starting with the list. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. And then, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Then I have x minus x bar, xi minus x bar, xi minus x bar. Then I will have the square of it here. So x minus x bar squared. So the first thing we need to get is our x bar, right? I'm sure you will agree with me. So to get my x bar is going to be what? The addition of everything here, which will be 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 will give me 21. 21 plus 9. 29 plus 9 will give me 30. 30 plus 10 will give me 40. So I have 40 over, how many number did I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 40 divided by what? 5. And that's what? 8. So yeah, I have 40. The summation of x. So now 6 minus 8 will give me minus 2. 7 minus 8 will give me minus 1. 8 minus 8 will give me 0. 9 minus 8, 1. And 10 minus 8, 2. All right, then let's square it. If you square 2, you get 4. If you square 1, you get 1. If you square 0, is 0. If you square 1, you get 1. And if you square 2, you get 4. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus this, you get 10. So the summation of your x minus x bar is what? 10. So then your variance is going to be what? Which is summation of what? X minus your xi minus x bar all squared over n minus 1. I get what I'm saying now? So if you square that, you are going to have, if you do that, the answer you are going to be getting there will be 10, because the summation of this is 10. So that's 10 over, how many number do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is now 5 minus 1, and 5 minus 1 will give us 4. So that's 10 divided by what? 4. And 10 divided by 4 will give you 2.5. So go ahead and solve for the second one. The standard, your variance for the last example here, your variance. So just follow my example. Your variance is going to be 10. So do that and put it in the comment section. So I'm sure you have been able to understand how variance is being calculated. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and always share this video. Thank you very much, and